Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your car washing setup with something more powerful, paint-safe, and easy to use, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best pressure washers for cars, chosen for their cleaning power, control, build quality, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started.
Starting at number 1, the Westinghouse WPX3000e. This is a serious option for anyone who wants strong cleaning power without stepping into gas machine territory. The WPX3000e delivers up to 3,000 psi, which means it has no problem cutting through road grime, mud, and stubborn buildup, while still being controllable enough for car paint and wheels. What makes it especially useful for car washing is the flexibility. You get multiple quick connect nozzles, including a soak nozzle and turbo option, so you can switch from gentle rinsing to deeper cleaning without swapping machines. The built-in soap tank is a big plus too, letting you apply detergent evenly before rinsing, which helps loosen dirt before you even touch the surface. The 25-foot Superflex hose gives you good reach around larger vehicles, and the metal spray gun feels solid in hand, not flimsy or cheap. It's also compatible with foam cannons and undercarriage cleaners, which is great if you're serious about keeping your car clean from top to bottom. Despite the power, it's easy to move around thanks to the steel frame and large wheels. It doesn't feel awkward or unstable when you're pulling it around the driveway. What really stands out in everyday use is how balanced it feels. It has enough strength for dirty trucks and SUVs, but it doesn't feel overly aggressive when you're rinsing a freshly detailed car. The trigger response is smooth, pressure delivery is consistent, and it doesn't surge or lag around mirrors, trim, or badges.
Next up at number 2, the Joe SPX3000-XT1. This is one of those pressure washers that just makes life easier. It's lightweight, compact, and very approachable, especially if you don't want something bulky or intimidating. It delivers up to 2,200 psi, which is more than enough for washing cars, bikes, patios, and outdoor furniture. The real standout here is the foam cannon. It throws a thick layer of soap that clings to the surface, which makes pre-washing and loosening dirt much easier before you rinse. Switching between the 4 nozzles is quick and simple, and the 40-degree nozzle is perfect for car paint because it gives you wide, gentle coverage. The included brushes are also useful for wheels, trim, and tougher spots without risking scratches. It's easy to roll around, easy to store, and doesn't feel like overkill for everyday use. Another thing people really like is how quiet it runs compared to larger machines. You can wash your car early in the morning or later in the evening without feeling like you're disturbing the whole neighborhood. The total stop system also helps here, since the motor shuts off when you release the trigger. That not only saves energy, but also reduces wear over time. If you live in an apartment, townhouse, or smaller home and want something powerful but manageable, this one fits that lifestyle very well.
At number 3, the Westinghouse WPX3500. This one is all about smart design and portability. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to tuck away, but don't let the size fool you. It still delivers strong cleaning power and very consistent performance. It comes with multiple nozzles, including turbo and soap options, which gives you flexibility when moving between car panels, wheels, and undercarriage areas. The extendable wand is a nice touch, especially when reaching roofs, windshields, or truck beds. One thing people really like about this model is stability. The low center of gravity and 4 locking wheels keep it planted, so it doesn't tip over when you're pulling the hose around the vehicle. That makes a difference when you're moving quickly around the car. It also has an onboard soap tank, which keeps things simple and tidy. If you want something easy to move, easy to store, and still strong enough to handle serious cleaning, the WPX3500 fits that role very well.
Moving on to number 4, the Karcher K1700. Karcher has a reputation for reliable cleaning tools, and the K1700 stays true to that. It delivers steady pressure that's ideal for car washing, especially if you're concerned about protecting paint and clear coat. The 15-degree and 65-degree nozzles give you great control. You can go tighter for wheels and tires, then switch to wide spray for body panels. The turbo nozzle is there when you need extra bite on stubborn dirt, but it's still manageable with good technique. The detergent tank is built in, so applying soap is simple and clean. The foot switch and auto shutoff also make it less tiring to use, especially during longer wash sessions. It's easy to move, easy to operate, and doesn't feel complicated.
This one is a great fit for homeowners who want consistent results without learning a bunch of settings or dealing with bulky equipment.
Finally, at number 5, the FOTING upgraded washer. This is the powerhouse of the group. With up to 5,000 psi available, this one is built for people who want maximum cleaning strength. That said, what really matters is control, and this machine gives you that through adjustable pressure levels. The touchscreen interface lets you dial in the exact pressure you want, which is huge for car washing. You can keep it lower and safe for paint, then crank it up for driveways, decks, or heavy buildup when needed. It comes with multiple nozzles and a soap bottle, so you're covered for different surfaces and cleaning styles. The total stop system adds safety and efficiency by shutting the machine off when you're not spraying, which also helps extend its lifespan. The wider base keeps it stable, and the padded handles make it comfortable to move. This one is ideal for users who want one machine to handle everything, from gentle car washes to heavy outdoor cleaning without switching tools. And that wraps up the top 5 best pressure washers for cars. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gear picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.